All right, welcome to another episode of The Tools We Use. So again, this is the series where I talk about a tool that I use at work that helps me a lot getting my job done, making my job a lot easier, things of that nature. Today, we're going to be working with VS Code. If you're not familiar with what Visual Studio Code is, or VS Code, it's sort of an all-in-one application from Microsoft. There's also a non-Microsoft version that is the source code is available. If you don't want to do Microsoft, that has IntelliSense, debugging, built-in Git, which is amazing, and then these extensions, which are also amazing. So I'm going to do a real quick install. So we're just going to hit download for Windows. It's going to pop up. We're going to wait. And we'll just do the basic install, and then I will maybe move into another video series just about VS Code, because there's a lot to do in there. So if you want to see more about configuring VS Code and how to make changes in VS Code, just let me know. So it pops up, you accept the agreement. It's doing the user version. You can also do the system version if you have multiple users on your system. Takes 344 megs of space. Next, nothing big there. I don't use desktop icons. I do like these actions, these quick actions. Register code as an editor for supported types and add to path. These are all good to have on. And then it'll install. And you can even, if you set up your account, your VS Code account, it will sync between your different VS Code installs. So like I have one at work. And if I wanted to, I could do that, but we'll just do it like this is our first time. We're going to browse a color theme. I'm going to stick with dark for right now. See, we could enable sync, which is really cool. One shortcut to open everything. Yeah, Control-Shift-P. This is the big one. Rich browser support, so you can browse languages, and then you open up your own code, and we'll just hit that mark as done. Let's check out these features on the side. Extensions. This is the big one. I work mainly in like Bash, so there should be some Bash debug. Yeah. We'll pop that in there. There's a Bash Beautify. Start Git Bash. That's cool too. I also do Puppet. So we'll grab the official Puppet VS Code extension, which provides full Puppet DSL IntelliSense, syntax highlighting, yada, yada, yada. All that cool stuff. One thing that I actually do like to get is this. There is a Discord theme that makes your colors just like Discord. So there we go. That's already set. Discord theme is in. So now it's Discordy. I like that. Here's your Git. Now, obviously, you're going to have to download Git for Windows, which will be a different the tools we use. But it lets you connect in via access token to Git, pull your code down, make your changes, add comments, respond to issues, push your code back up, and be done with it. There is also a GitLab extension for workflows. Right here, the official GitLab maintain extension for VS Code. I use this some, but I don't use everything in it because I'm not a full-time developer. But that's about it. You go over here. Yes, I trust the people in this. And then I can just add a file, blah.txt. Then you can start coding. That's the basics of VS Code. I highly recommend you use it. You can even pull up like a terminal for PowerShell if you had the PowerShell extension. A lot of people like to develop PowerShell. This is a Microsoft one. It gives you a little PowerShell terminal down here, and you can test your code. See, and there's your little terminal, and it'll tell you all about it. And it wants me to install PowerShell 7. Cool beans. And that's it for the tools we use. If you have any questions about VS Code, don't forget to put them in the comments. If you use VS Code and there's an extension you cannot live without, let us know what extensions you love the most so that we can share them with other folks and try them out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So thanks for tuning in and enjoying this video on the tools we use. And if you really enjoyed this one specifically, let me know, and we will build an entire series on setting up a VS Code work environment. So thanks, and have a good one.